Good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of On Point Adventures. My name's Brendan and today we've been lucky enough to be invited out with Tailored Treks, which is a land-based charter company run by Peter Fullerton. And if you want to check out his YouTube channel, it's going to be linked straight down in the description below. You want to go check it out. In fact, it was mentioned on one of my top 5 underrated channels, and especially you've got to check out that sailfish video. I'm telling you, it's great. But anyway, what we're here to do today is, as you can see, we've got some pretty glamour conditions this afternoon. We're going to be flying the old aeroo out. We're going to be trying to catch some snapper and whatnot and see what we can get put onto. But anyway, it's rolling on this afternoon, so I'm not going to talk a great deal. I want to get this drone up in the sky, get it flying and get a bait in the water. Let's get into it. Right, so for anyone wondering what rig we're using, we're using that drone rig we made the other day with the dingle dangle and the squid skirt at the bottom. We're running a sandy piece of Occy because I just dropped it. Probably a 2 metre leader on that line, just down to your tri-crane swivel. We're going to use a 5-ounce grapnel today, and then off the grapnel we've got our drone line. Now Peter, that was something Peter taught me, was to tie your drone line off your sinker, and I tell you what, it's worked fantastically. Certainly a great tip there. But yeah, we're going to send that drone out, I'm hoping a couple of 100 metres, and we'll see how we go. Let's get into it. So we're just bringing this in, and halfway in something smacked it, and I can almost guarantee it was that skirt doing its job. It doesn't feel like a bad fish. So yeah, she's fighting not bad. Could be an okay fish.
I'm not seeing head shakes, so I'm putting money on the Jewy.
I hope so. Jewy would be good. But that shows that squid skirt might have worked. You know, that's what I said. It fishes 100% of the time. Oh, I think so. Yep. Oh, all right, we're getting closer now. Slowly, slowly. Oh, if it's a Jewy, I'm going to be pretty happy. But we are getting a lot. No, there is no real head shakes at the moment. The Prevail Apex and the torque, getting it done. Come on! It's just behind the surf now. What have we got? It's just fighting in the surf, it's going up and down the beach. What have we got here? It's got a fork. Oh, we got a little shark. Look, you know what? It's a little shark on the line, but we're going to take that anyway. I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with it. I think it just bit my back of my rig off too. All right, there it is. A lovely little shark. We got him upside down because it's the easiest way to handle him. But I mean, as you can see, not a bad size. it's going to provide a little bit of food for tonight. We were only talking on the way down here actually that we wanted to get into more sharks. So yeah, little ones like this eat really well. So we'll get him prepared up and ready for a meal. You beauty, fish on the drone, on the retrieve. It hit that squid skirt exactly as it should have too. So there you go. So we've got that shark in, that's all done. As you can see now, we've just got the aeroo. There it is there. Oh, there comes a warning, 40% battery, but that's okay. But as you can see there, the autopilot is doing its job perfectly. It's going to take us out to this drop zone here, which is at 215 metres. And hopefully that's us onto a snapper. It'd be nice anyway. It'd be nice to give that shark some, I guess, company in the esky. Oh, we'll see how this drop goes. All right, guys, while we've still got a little bit of sun, I'm just going to quickly cap up today. We do still have the last rods out there, so hopefully they do go off, and if they do, you'll see, I guess, more footage. But look, I mean, it's about time to wrap it up. We still got that beautiful shark. Unfortunately, didn't get the demersal we were looking for. We do have a big front coming tomorrow, so does it have a bit to do with the dropping barometer? Don't know. I'm not going to make excuses because it was still a brilliant afternoon, and when you've got a sunset like that, you simply can't go wrong. But where I'd like to leave it is, yeah, another little productive afternoon on the drone. We're doing a lot shorter drops today, which was good. And most of all, I'd like to thank, of course, Peter Fullerton from Peter Fullerton Fishing Is My Passion. That's his YouTube. Type it in, check it out. For, yeah, letting me ride along as passenger today and I guess experiencing the beach. So, yeah, I mean, on his channel, you're going to find a lot of cool stuff. Everything from four-wheel driving tips and techniques. He gets around in a little stavy and catches some awesome fish, as well as he's a gun on the beach. So yeah, look up Peter Fullerton, Fishing Is My Passion, as well as Tailored Treks, which is a land-based charter, which I tell you what, if you're looking to get into droning, it's a fantastic way to start because Pete takes you out and shows you everything you need to know. So yeah, there it is, guys. Until the next episode. It might be a little bit longer, just quickly actually, because we are in Exmouth very shortly, so I don't know whether I'll get an episode out next Saturday. I'll do my best. But yeah, as I said, up to Exmouth, exciting times, can't wait. See you on the next episode. See you later.